Everyone is talking about how AI is replacing jobs, but here's the truth, not all hustles can be automated. In this video, I'll show you 5 side hustles that artificial intelligence can't kill in 2025 and how you can start them faceless, from home, and with little to no investment. Number 1 is faceless YouTube channels. AI tools can help you edit or write scripts, but creativity, niche selection, and human storytelling still win. Faceless channels in niches like finance, motivation, or tutorials can easily make $1,000 plus per month with ad revenue and sponsorships. Number 2 is selling digital products, like templates, ebooks, or online courses. AI might help you create them faster, but people still pay for unique knowledge and guides. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it simple to start selling worldwide, 24/7. Number 3 is freelancing with high-demand skills. AI can assist, but it can't fully replace human creativity and critical thinking. Skills like video editing, voiceover, or social media management are in demand, and freelancers are charging anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour. Number 4 is print on demand. AI can generate cool designs, but it's still human taste and creativity that make people click buy. With platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, you can launch a merch store with zero upfront cost. And number 5, local service side hustles. From event photography to cleaning services, tutoring, or delivery, these can't be automated by AI. And the best part? You can scale them into a small business. So while AI is changing the world, these 5 hustles will stay profitable in 2025 and beyond. If you want more faceless income ideas, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next video.